Hi, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Penicillin. So the Penicillin is a creation of Australian-born bartender Sam Ross. He's tended the bar at well-known venues such as Milk and Honey, Pegu Club and Attaboy. Sam has created a number of well-known modern classics, and the Penicillin is one of those. A smoky, spicy and honey whiskey-based cocktail. This has been on my list for literally 18 months. I haven't had one for years, and it's an amazing cocktail, so I'm really surprised that I haven't actually made the effort to go to the shop and buy a bottle of Islay Whisky. Finally, the day has come, and it's actually a decent investment. Here in Australia, a bottle of Lefroy is $100. Not cheap, so I bought myself a GLENCAIRN glass as well, so I could sit back tonight and enjoy a couple of whiskeys. I'll leave a link to these in the description below, because these are awesome, and if you're a whiskey drinker, you have to have one of these. So, the Penicillin cocktail. This is a whiskey-based cocktail with a smoky whiskey float, and it's got ginger, so it's going to add a little bit of spice, and then honey to sweeten it up with that to balance out that citrus juice. So you want to measure 60 mils or 2 ounces of your blended whiskey, blended Scotch whiskey. This particular one is Monkey Shoulder, followed by 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. And for the next couple of ingredients, I'm actually just going to use the syrups. So I've got 3-to-1 honey syrup and the ginger syrup. The reason I'm using syrups is because I'll link to the video there. Just a few days ago, I uploaded the essential syrups. So I have them on hand, ready to go. If you don't have a ginger syrup and you don't feel like making that much volume, then you can always muddle ginger instead. So if you're going to muddle, just do 3/4 of a shot of your honey syrup. But today I'm going to divide that 3/4 shot between honey and ginger. I'll leave all that information in the description below so it'll all make sense. So 22.5 mils or 3/4 ounce of your honey ginger syrup. Then fill your cocktail shaker with ice and give it a good shake. Now strain it over fresh ice and finish it with your Islay Whisky, which is going to add a lot of smokiness to it. Oh. So 7.5 mils, 1/4 ounce. And for garnish, skewered candied ginger. There you have the Penicillin. Cheers. You definitely get that smokiness coming from that Lefroy. It smells amazing, it smells delicious. Just as I remember it. The honey isn't overpowering. It just balances out that citrus, which is really nice. You get a little bit of spice. If you use the fresh ginger, it's obviously going to be a little bit spicier. But all those flavors really complement each other. The citrus, the honey, the ginger, the smokiness. I love this drink. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.